Welcome to Pedagogy YouTube channel. Students, you can get different video tutorial of operating system, DBMS, networking, languages like Java, Python, etc. conducted by Manoj sir. Our topics VI editor. Now, why VI editor? It is available in almost all Linux distributions. It works the same across different platforms and it is user friendly. Most of the people like this editor in Linux, Fedora or UNIX environment. Another version of VI is Vim. VI improved and there is Elvis, NVI and so many. But VI is the future rich, endless possibilities. So we are concentrate about only VI here. VI here. Command modes. Whenever you open the VI editor, open in this mode. Move the cursor and cut, copy, paste the text. Saves the changes to the file. Remember, commands are case sensitive. Now, there is another mode, insert mode. This mode is for inserting text in the file. Press I in the keyboard for insert mode. In insert mode, any key would be taken as an input. In command mode, you can't input any text. Press escape key to swap changes. Now we are starting VI editor. You have to write VI file name. It may be new file name or it may be file name. Existing means a name of existing file. In command prompt, we write VI file name, then the screen look like this. And we are in now command mode. There are so many tilde symbol in the left. It indicates the lines are empty and the bottom, the file name shows. Now press I for going into insert mode. There are various options in VI editor. I is for insert mode, A right after cursor, capital A right at the end of line, escape for terminate insert mode, small u undo last change, capital U undo all changes. Now VI file name, we are in command mode. So what we have to do? We have to press I from keyboard for going into insert mode because we are want to write some text in the line. Mind it, no visual cue to determine the mode you are currently in. Now, you have to write the text in the window. Suppose I am writing hi there. Now, what will happen? Now, if we want to write another line, we can press enter key. But suppose we want to save the file. So we have to going from insert mode to again command mode. Because we are now at window with insert mode. So we can press. If we press O, we can write in the second line any more text. Now we have to press escape for going into command mode. And there are so many options. Capitalize, A, small u, all are given in my slide. All options not possible here to describe. There are so many options. Please pause and copy in your book. Now, moving within a file means cursor movement. You can move the cursor by K like this. Similarly, very simple way, you can press the lower key, upper key, right arrow key, left arrow key. For going left, right, top, bottom. And another options is L, capital H. There are so many options. The cursor move left, cursor move right, cursor move up, cursor move down. So if you can remember this kind of options, very fine. Otherwise, press arrow key. Now we have to save or closing the file. Again, I am showing for saving Shift plus ZZ, you can save the file, or :WQ you may use to save the file and quit. But if you press only :Q, save the file but keep it open. If you press :q, quit without saving. So you can press escape for going into command prompt. Now you can press Shift plus ZZ, that means the file saved and quit from the VI editor, or you can press :WQ, both are same. If you press :WQ, file will be saved. Now for viewing the content of file, cat file name, we will see that the content of the file displayed in the command prompt. So what we have learned, VI is the most popular and commonly Linux text editor, and it is usually available in all Linux distributions, and it works in two modes, command and just copy it and viewing.